Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and delete your Roblox account? This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. To delete your Roblox account, you must contact your support via their website and their help form. As there are no direct in-app buttons, select the data privacy request and the rights to be forgotten, clearly asking for permanent deletion, and then verify your identity via email to confirm their request, which will completely wipe all the data permanently. So if we're talking about step by step, then you just need to head into roblox.com/support, provide your username, email, and select your device type, then type of help category, and then choose data privacy request. And then for the subcategory, select right to be forgotten or other privacy requests if not listed. Then describe your request in the description box. Clearly state, I want to permanently delete my Roblox and all associated data. Then click continue, then check your email for confirmation from Roblox. That is about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.